Hello everyone, today I present to you a new timepiece with a cool design made by a cool French designer. Here. It's the Mach 200 and like you can see it's made by Roger Tallon, the designer from the TGV train in France, the TV too. Like you can see there is cool detail with this camel strap, this cool button bubble. And like we can see, the hand for the AO is camel too, like the strap, and I love this design. It's perhaps only one reason that I buy this timepiece. There is a date of this design, the name of the timepiece. It's a cool timepiece made in France, of course, certificate of authenticity. And for the size, many people ask for the size of this timepiece because the design is so unusual. It's the woman size with this here and this here for the case. The strap is so tiny but quite perfect for a hourglass wrist shot. Hope you like this new timepiece in the family watch passioner, but it's not for my wrist because I have too big wrist. No, it's a joke, but for my woman it's perfect. She loves this timepiece and a crazy French design for a cool timepiece. Have a good day, my follower.